Guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Merrick, New Jersey. Merrick. We're in New York, and we just completed this Steam Seal shower enclosure. It's got a small operable transom above. Door is hinged to the wall. All the hardware is in brushed nickel hardware, and we use clamps instead of U-channel. And this is a double acting door, meaning you can open both in and out. Okay, and then the small transom here is so that you don't have to leave the door open overnight to allow proper ventilation. So this is perfect because the air that comes out of there comes right into the vent. All right, and this is the proper direction of opening a transom, not the other way around. I mean, it's not a deal breaker, it's just not right, and it kind of kills me. So this is the way a transom is supposed to open, top out. All right, and it shouldn't be allowed to open inwards. All right, so if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.